Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2024 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 535 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with axle caps. The Freewheeler offers hot rod style on the stability of 3 wheels, giving riders comfort and power. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 122 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a 26.2 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.